Welcome to Spagtastic. In this lesson, we are going to learn about layout devices. This is a level 6 skill. Layout devices are used to present the text in a clear and appealing way to the reader. They are most commonly found in non-fiction texts. Layout devices include headings, subheadings, columns, bullet points, and tables. The first layout device that we are going to learn about is headings. Headings are titles used at the top of a page or large section of a text. They tell the reader what the text is about. Here you can see that the heading for this text is bicycles. It appears at the top of the text and it makes it easy for the reader to see what the text is about. The next layout feature is subheadings. Subheadings are titles for each section of a text. They tell the reader what the next paragraph or paragraphs are about. In this extract of text about bicycles, there are two subheadings, which are what is a bicycle and how to ride a bicycle. The subheadings make it easy for the reader to see what each paragraph is about. Now we are going to learn about columns. Columns are often used in newspaper and magazine articles to break up large sections of text. Columns make it easier to read a narrower section of text as there are fewer words on a line. Here you can see that the information about bicycles has been organised into two columns, making it easier to read. The next layout feature we will learn about is bullet points. Bullet points are used to separate items in lists. They can be single words, phrases, short sentences or paragraphs. Here is an example of how bullet points can be used to list the different types of bicycle, with each bicycle type on a new line. There are many different types of bicycle, including mountain, BMX, road, hybrid and electric. The final layout device we will learn about is tables. Tables are used to represent information in a clear, easy to read format. Tables have rows and columns. Here is an example of how the features of different types of bicycle can be presented in a table, making it clear and easy for the reader to find the information they need. Here is a summary of what we have learned in this lesson. It is a good idea to use a range of layout devices such as headings, subheadings, columns, bullet points and tables in a piece of non-fiction writing to present your text in a clear, easy to read format.